Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we have sin x squared. Now I will put this one go to the right. So we need to change this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. Number one, that is about 1 square. So this one, we need to change by this one, and we have 1 minus cosine x, 1 plus cosine x. Next, we put the negative sign on numerator and denominator. So this one, we change the sign of 1 minus cosine x. Next, we do common denominator on numerator and denominator in here. So this one is same to this one. So 1 minus number 2, we have negative number 1. Next, cosine x minus number 1 simplify on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 0 on here. And we have the final answer. And that is about 1/2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.